I've prompted my Copilot to actually go do my SEO, and this is obviously one of the jobs that I like the least in web development or in app development. It actually went through all of my files and it told me what to do with what to update, and I actually had like checklists as well that told me what to make sure that works more or less. So that's what's good about it. It's like my Copilot knows my application very well. It knows what I have actually in my app and what we built before. So that's a website I built yesterday over like 4 or 5 hours. And it actually has a context of this website. So it went through all of it and obviously did all of those tags, which I obviously wouldn't really like to spend time on implementing. Usually I would do probably a couple of those. Probably I often don't do, you know, those images for Twitter or stuff unless clients needs it or something. But for my own website, I wouldn't really do that. So what I like here is, you know, the machine AI, the Copilot did something that machines like. And it did actually this robots thing, which I often forget to do. And then it just implemented it with languages. So that's actually something that it did nicely within my app. So that now this app should be actually pretty nice in terms of SEO. Yeah, so this is my website for my business, where I'm trying to find customers for building apps. And I have people actually that I'm working with, like developers, who are ready to actually work on, they're like on the bench now, and they're waiting to work on a new project. I want to sell some development time to different companies, to different businesses, where I would be creating applications for them, websites or some more complex apps online. So this is my business that will try to do that. So this website I created yesterday with AI. And now, okay, I can see that it doesn't apply my titles. So let's just make sure that this is actually applied correctly. This sounded like something I would say on one of my live streams. If it was interesting for you, make sure to subscribe. I'm talking about my process of building a SaaS product, releasing it and selling it to customers. I'll show you everything from my code, through my architecture, to my statistics. Yeah, see you around.